Welcome all of you. Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am showing how to logging Microsoft or Google account by finger. Let's get started. Okay. First of all, you open any browser. I opened Chrome browser. I will try logging Microsoft or Outlook account. Okay. Just I type Outlook. Okay, Outlook login. I searched and to open to Microsoft login site. Sign in. I have already logged into one account, but I will try another account. Okay, just I will not type because I have saved my account. I will login try to this one. Okay, finger. This one finger just verification your device. It's your use or another person. Okay, next. Just right now I will choose different way because I will not type my password. I will take logging access by finger. Okay, another ways to sign in. Okay, I will choose the one face fingerprints or security. I will choose face finger security. Okay, I will select finger. This one is its verification way. They are already verified my finger and they are request to stay my account. That's it. Logging my account by finger. You can check it. I have to try logging this one. It's already logged. It's very easy to log in. It's not matter to request to log in your password. I love this way. Okay, you can manage also your login access by verification. Which device would like to choose your verification way? Okay, security. You also go security system manage how I sing in. Click here. We have seen lot of way because set up lot of way to sign in or verification my device. This one is Google Password Manager. It's mean I try to log in by finger by Google Manage account manage. I will add a new way to sign in or verification. This one finger or face. I'll try by save another way. It's Windows Hello system by finger. I'll choose finger, not they are verified my finger. You can try second time. Uh, okay, they have to done. My finger there have to verify it and choose save type of name. Okay, Windows Hello. I can try lot of type way for singing my Windows, singing my Outlook account. Lot of way. I also try Google Password Manager, also Windows Hello system. You can save a lot of type of thing system. You also save your time and more secure. I think this one is better option. Okay, if you see want to more logging way option, also I can showing you. Okay, I will try to Microsoft Outlook software to logging my Outlook account. Just I will try to login new. Go to setting and add account. I'll try add account. This one not. I will type new name. Okay. Type your email address. I've typed my email address. Okay. I will choose login password way. I will not try to login password. I will choose finger way. They have to verify already finger hello system. Windows hello system. I just done finger. They are verified and they are well done to logging my Outlook account. Okay, I will try second time. Verify my finger. They have to well done. Setup done. Also, I will try to logging another Google account. You can check or look login Google account. I love this type of setup. This is my Google account. Okay, they are verified by browser. This one for me. Okay, continue. I think they are not asked to select my finger verification because they are connected to Chrome browser. Okay, you also set up your finger verification way on your Google account list showing you. Okay, I will manage my Google account to go to security, check out the password way and the security keys. What say they? Skip password when possible. Okay, I will go this one. They are asked for finger verification. I have done. Okay. If I off or switch this one, my finger verification will stop. But I will not stop. I will see showing you set up new one password system, my verification system. Okay, passkeys and security keys. You will select second one. You can see lot of system where I will set up Windows Hello G system, but I will set up new one by Google account setup way. Okay, create a password. Okay, create a password. I will set up finger. Okay, try to. Uh, they said to me, you have try another device, another account because you have to try. You have to done this one account have to done. I have not any account whose account I did not set up singing finger system. That's why I will not show you new account to set up uh, singing verify way. Thank you all of you. We are we'll see next another video. Okay, goodbye.